guys, it's your girl Martiana and I'm back with another video. And if you haven't already read the title, today's video is going to be a weekly vlog. And today I am about to go to the Cavs game. So let's get into this video. So today is my older brother's birthday and we are going to the Cavs game for his birthday.
I'm ready to watch this game, dude.
Right?
We about to get this dub.
Alright, you better watch this game for Cello's birthday.
He's gonna be pulling up soon.
Right.
Defensive 3-second play.
Oh, not even.
My food almost gone, don't look. I ain't even get to sit down yet.
Oh, no.
TT.
Play my Davey 3-point contest. Now we're going to give him 45 seconds to make many 3-point passes as he can. Each one he makes, he's going to get $50 towards the Cavaliers team shot center court. So there's a lot of balls over here. Let's see if you can walk away with some whole lot of gas. If you're ready, Mike, grab your first ball. 45 seconds on your lucky try. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, oh boy. You got it. You got to take your time. All right. You go, baby. Go on over here. You got 30 seconds left. It's all good. All right, we go. 50.
Fans, in honor of the name change, what better time than right now, Raptor Arena versus Proud Karaoke. Y'all know Country Roads. Let me hear you sing along.
Hey, boy, what's up, boy? TT, low. Yeah, y'all. Martiana Lumbus. Say my name. That's cool. You gonna get it back.
Cavaliers says it will fly to St. Mary. The second first take
am back from the game and we won. Y'all, we really won. Like, we won, but we probably would have blew them out if we had Donovan. So he was sitting out and he was injured or whatever. But yeah, that's what today consists of going to the game. So I'll start back vlogging tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I am in the middle of cleaning up. I cleaned the kitchen, cleaned my bedroom, cleaned the living room, and I'm about to clean the bathroom. So I did not record any of that because I was listening to my music. But I'm gonna just record me cleaning up the bathroom just to get a little content, okay? Yeah, so now I am done cleaning up the bathroom. And my bad, I forgot that I was supposed to record, but I was listening to music or whatever. And I had ordered me some Domino's as well. I'm about to watch TV and finish eating my Domino's. And see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so it is the next day and I did get some groceries in a package. So I will be showing y'all that right now. This package is heavy, but I got a package from Amazon. And what I got in it is this is a tripod. I had bought a new tripod. If y'all don't know, now you know. I do like film. I went to college for like film, media arts, and like photography and stuff like that, and editing. So like I graduated like 2022. Yeah. So I graduated like 2022 from college. But I do have this tripod because I don't know, somehow, some way, pieces and parts of my tripods keep coming off and missing it, so I had to get me a new one. So yeah, I do like photography, films, videography, music videos, photo shoots, TV shows, movies, all that types of stuff. Yeah, so if y'all do, I am located in Cleveland, Ohio, so if y'all do want to book anything from here, y'all can go on my Instagram page, which do be in my intro, and then also my business YouTube channel and page. It's Lumbus Production. It's LUMBUS Productions. But yeah, this is what I got this tripod for. And then also I got some more sand. I got some more sand for my sandbags. If you don't know, you need some sandbags for like your lights, your tripod, and your stands and stuff. So like if somebody walk past it, it don't easily like knock over or mess up. So you fill the sandbags up with the sand. I got like 4 bags for the sand, so it's gonna be more than enough. So I'm gonna fill up the sandbags with this, but I'm not gonna do it on camera or nothing like that. But yeah, I need to fill my sandbags up though. I might do them tomorrow, but right now I ain't gonna be able to fill them up. But yeah, so that's what you need the sandbags for, just to put it on there and weigh them down so it won't move, knock, or anything like that. I mean, like, it is some incidents where my stands get bumped into, like, they don't fall, but it's like, damn, that could fall and I broke my light or something. So that's like 3 sandbags. And then also for like, I got this heavy duty tape for like photography or whatever, for the backdrop. Somebody want to stick something on it or something like that. And then I just got I ordered some new chargers because all of a sudden, I guess this morning when I woke up, my charger had broke. So I have bought some more chargers. It's ridiculous. But I'm about to pay my groceries up. Yeah, so I did end up getting some groceries and stuff from Giant Eagle. And I got some like pasta things. So I am gonna make some Philly cheesesteak pasta. Like I seen that on Instagram and it looked really good. So I am gonna make that. But I'm not gonna make it today. But I just bought the stuff for it. And I got some sirloin beef for this stuff. Like this pasta better be so good when I tell y'all. And then I got some milk as well. Let me put that in there. And then I had opened up these ice cream sandwiches. They're just too good. Like I ate like a couple of them. They're too good. I had to hurry to eat because I wanted some ice cream. Like I wanted some ice cream bad. Put that in there. Oh, let me put this in there too. Put this in the cabinet. Oh, my cabinet is full. I don't have to go through that. But I also got some heavy whipped cream for the sauce, for the pasta, whatever. Cause I think I do already got some. But this should be enough. And then mix it with milk or whatever. And then I got some chopped peppers for the Philly steak pasta. Because I ain't feel like chopping up no peppers, y'all. Y'all know the last video y'all seen me chop up some peppers. Yeah, I don't want to chop up the peppers right now. It's like slows down the cooking process. But most of the time I do chop up my own peppers. But I'm gonna put these in here. And then I also got some yogurt. Definitely like my yogurt. And then I also got some grated Parmesan cheese because I am gonna add this into the sauce. Y'all will see tomorrow when I make the pasta or whatever. I do got some other cheese though. And then I had to get some black pepper. Let me put that in here. Yeah, I was supposed to get some more parsley, but it was like, damn. But I'm pretty sure it's still enough parsley in here, but you know my parsley be going fast. But then I got some more cereal because I ran out. As y'all can see, there's nothing up there. But this was just like a little grocery shopping. It was like a full thing of it. But and I am just one person, so I really don't need that much stuff. But yeah, so that was all of my groceries. And like I said, I will be cooking that not the Parmesan stuck in my head, the Philly steak cheese pasta tomorrow. Because when I seen that, I'm like, that look good. Like, I never thought of making a Philly cheese steak pasta. Like, you make it regular like Philly cheese steak, and then you just make the pasta separate and put it on top of it. That gotta be good because it looked real good. I'm telling y'all. Tomorrow when y'all see this is just gonna be crazy. Hey y'all, so today is the next day and I am about to make the Philly steak pasta. So I was gonna make the noodles in here, but I think I might get a smaller pot. I don't know. No, I think I am gonna make it in here. Okay, so I'm about to run water for the noodles real quick. While the noodles are not the noodles, but the water for the noodles are cooking, I'm gonna add a little salt in there. And I'm not gonna make the whole box. Okay, so while the noodles are getting up, I am going to grate some cheese. Before I grate the cheese, I am gonna add this pot onto the stove so the sauce can warm up. So now I'm gonna add this heavy whipping cream into the pot. I'm just gonna pour it in here and let it heat up while I grate the cheese. And pour some milk in it. Okay, so while that is heating up, so when I put the cheese in there, the cheese can. Okay, so I'm gonna grate like a little bit on here, and then like after that, I'm gonna do it off camera. I'm trying to do from this side. Yeah, this other side is grating better than that side. Yeah, I could definitely see that the cheese look way better on this side. Oh, you have to see how the cheese is looking so good. So the water is done boiling, but I'm not gonna grab my hand. Grab my hand. I'm not gonna grab my phone with my hand because it got the cheese stuff on it. But I just finished grating the cheese too. I'm gonna show y'all that. But let me go ahead and pour half of this box in here because I'm not gonna grab the whole thing. I got a feeling that I should just pour the whole box. Look at this cheese, honey. Look at this cheese, honey. Sound like somebody's grandma or something. Trying to get the rest of it out of here from off of the thing like that. And I guess I have to just clean it out. Yeah, that's what it's giving. Okay, so this is the cheese grated. I feel like it was better to do it this way, but you know what this look like? This look like when you crush your ramen noodles up. Like, you ever crush your ramen noodles up and like put it in the microwave and it cooked it? Not cooking it on the stove, but cooked it in the microwave and it come out and it look like this in a bowl. Bussin'. I'm telling you, crushed noodles are better than whole noodles. Period. Coming from me. Coming from me. And the sauce. It comes off. So this sauce is gonna be real thick. We gotta wait for the cheese. I'm about to add some of this Parmesan cheese in there. And then mix it around again. Also, the noodles are almost done, so I'm gonna take them off in a minute. Okay, the noodles are done. Look how hot and steamy they is. But I am draining them right now. Ooh, it's fucking up the camera. I added the meat and the peppers on for the cooker right now. Hey, look at my sauce. It's like real creamy. So the Philly shake is done, but I'm about to add I think it's called the provolone cheese on there, so it can melt on there. It can look good. Okay, yeah. So I added the provolone cheese on there, and I'm about to mix it all together so the cheese can melt into the meat. So the cheese is melted into the Philly cheese steak. I am about to try it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks after it is done. I'm gonna try some of it on camera. That's good. It's real hot. I'm gonna blow on it. That is real good. So good. Y'all should try to make it because that is just too good. Like, I never had no Philly cheesesteak pasta before until I seen it on Instagram. I was looking at some food ideas to make or whatever, and it's definitely a good idea. Definitely. Alright, so today is the next day, and I did just get done shooting a photo shoot. I have another one to shoot today as well. So like I told y'all, I do like films, photography, obviously YouTube too. Basically anything with a camera, film, photography, videography, music videos, all that. So yeah. Guys, so this is the end of this vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you until next time.